Hello everyone, Chris Snellgrove here with Reputation Sensei. Today I want to issue a warning about an increasingly popular Facebook scam. Scammers are attacking your Facebook fan page inbox with messages designed to fool you into giving them your credentials. And I must admit, they look pretty damn convincing sometimes. So let's take a look at some examples. Let's see, we're going to jump over here with this screen. So, page harassment report, your account will be deactivated. This is because someone has reported you for copyright infringement. All these scams look similar. Check it out. Here's another one. Case review ID. It looks like Facebook is sending you something. We have received reports that your page published posts that don't comply with our policy. Our policy was recently updated to include restrictions around third-party apps and sites using copyright and content will result in removing it from your page, in the worst case, deleting your page permanently. So they're always threatening. The common theme in these messages are they're threatening to remove your page. Let's take a look at one more. Business support policy. Last warning, more than 3 times we're forced to permanently lock the page. We found your page violates the community standards on our images and video. Contact the support team. Again, there's a URL. Do not hit this link. They are phishing for your information. They want your credentials. Here's another one. Again, talking about copyright. They identify themselves as Meta Business Services, but you can see the profile is they forgot to hide their profile. So not very good scammer there. Here's another one. Ooh, police page. We saw unusual activity and locked your account. No one will be able to see this. Dear admin page, again, they're threatening to permanently close your account. Just hit this link and you're in trouble. So don't take the bait. Again, important announcement from Facebook. Your Facebook page is scheduled for permanent deletion due to a post that was infringed upon our trademark rights. We have reached the decision. Again, scam. It's common. The common theme is your page will not be published and that they're going to shut you down. Don't fall for it. Business violation notification. Basically, don't hit any links in any messages that come to you because that's what the scammers are doing. Facebook is aware of it, and we are here that they're going to be, weeding out more of this spam. It's spam. It's linked to scams. If you haven't liked our Facebook page and subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so we can stay in touch and keep you informed about the latest developments on the digital front. Thank you so much. Have a great day.